This is the 11 acres that is for sale. The fence line is right there that goes into the 10-acre parcel. We are on the road, irrigation road, and we are looking down at it. We are facing the canal. You can turn over here and then you see the other irrigated 4 acres that is owned by that other guy. And then we're turning, facing west, and we're on that irrigation road. And now we're facing north into that 6 point whatever acres that is unirrigated. Right up here. It's my car, we're on the road, and then that turn is obviously that other piece. And then here we go, right back to where we started, facing the canal.